I don't know if you had a particular budget in mind. This is life. I won't be too hurt if she's a no-show because Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday and welcome to a new week in my business. I am up kind of early. It's 8, not super early, but I'm about to make some breakfast. So I'm gonna make some hash browns and these little sausages. They're like my favorite veggie sausages. So I'm just preheating the oven. It's Tuesday, actually. It's the day after Labor Day weekend. And we did like a deep clean of, well, I did a deep clean of my office and our bedroom. But the kitchen did not happen, so I'm going to clean up a little bit here in the kitchen while the oven is preheating. And because yeah, it's quite a mess. You guys will see. Today I only have one meeting with a coaching client, so I may film some additional podcast episodes. I may not. I'm just gonna kind of see how I feel after that call and if I'm in the mood to shoot. It is really one of those things where you kind of have to be in the mood to do it. So we'll see. Oh, and in case anyone is curious about the whole glasses saga, I do have my glasses now. I'm actually supposed to get a couple more pairs in today, so hopefully I'll be able to show you those. But I'm not supposed to wear them at the computer. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing them some places and I'm not supposed to wear them at the computer. He said it's going to make my nearsightedness worse if I do that. But they have been helping a lot. I haven't had a headache since I had them. It was honestly kind of emotional. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm seeing details I didn't even know existed in the world. So that was pretty cool. So whenever I'm going to be on camera, I always like to wait until the last possible second to do my makeup. I just took a shower though, so I am going to do my skincare while I kind of wait. So I always moisturize, always. I always used to think that moisturizing would make my skin more oily, but it absolutely does the opposite. And then I also love these eye patches on filming days. I've shared these before. I use a different kind pretty much every time, but they just really help with the deep puffing and making sure that your under eye looks super fresh on camera or anytime. So these ones are by 111 Skin. And this is why I love waking up early. So I just received some emails that were like, not like rude or anything, but they just were like a little intense, you know? And if I were to have woken up at 9 or 10 a.m., that would have been the first thing that I saw, right? Instead, I had this like really nice morning by myself, started things off in a really nice mood. And, you know, I didn't get my morning ruined. Not saying ruined, again, there weren't like, nobody cussed me out or anything, but they're just a little harsh. And I love getting up in the morning because usually you don't get emails that early. And so you can really start your day on your own terms and set the tone in your own way. Just something I recommend. I mean, I'm not one of those people who's like, wake up at 5 a.m. and do like a drill and like, you know, like, no, you don't have to like torture yourself. Do what your body likes to do. But for me, it's something that just brings me a lot of joy. So I'm eating an orange. I'm having a little snack break already. It's only been 2 hours since breakfast, but whatever. So I'm trying out this new tool. It's called Descript, and I've heard about it before, but the company reached out and encouraged me to try it. And basically it's like a transcription service for your podcast, which I used before. I used one that was free. It was called Otter, and it works okay, but there are a lot of mistakes in it, things like that. But the cool thing, in addition to being hopefully more accurate, Descript also allows you to edit while editing text. So like if there's, I'm talking right now, right? If I wanted to back up and remove where I said if there's, I would just remove the words if there's in the transcript and it would stitch together the video. It seems really cool. So I'm trying it out. I've already edited this episode, so I can't do the full run through. But what I am doing is I'm just adding this in and getting the transcript ready, because I do like to base my show notes off of the transcript, and I just want to see how accurate it is. So it's loading up right now. It says it should be ready in a few minutes. But yeah, look out for a full video in a few weeks probably of me trying out the full shebang. I'll record it for you guys. Good morning. it's the next day. I never ended up filming yesterday because I ended up not feeling very good, and I still am not feeling great today, so that's kind of a bummer. But I have just 2 coaching calls this morning, and then the rest of the day is free just to work on stuff. So yeah, I'm about to get on. This is a first coaching call with a new client. We've been talking for a while, and we finally just like got everything set up to meet, so excited for that. And then the next one is, I think, like my 3rd or 4th call with a client who's launching a course, so I'm helping her through that process. I've bought many different microphones, and this one is just the best one, honestly, for coaching calls. So I know it's super dorky, but it is what it is. So got my coffee, got my water bottle, and now I am about to get on the call. So I'll talk to you guys afterwards. First call went really, really well. I'm waiting for my next client to get on the line, and she's a few minutes late, which she normally is not. So I'm hoping, I feel like this week I should have just canceled all meetings. It's the week after Labor Day, because I feel like everyone's confused. Like I keep saying it's Tuesday, but it's Wednesday. I won't be too hurt if she's a no-show, because she may have just forgot. But one of the things that I actually hired for, I need some help like organizing the onboarding process for my coaching program, just because like I don't have set rules for like if people do no show on meetings, and I've been having that happen a little more than usual, which I don't know. It's just, I'm pretty flexible. Like I'm a very chill person. I'm like, yeah, if something comes up, no biggie, like we'll make it up. But if you cancel 5 minutes before, or if you no show, I might have to penalize you. Like I might have to take that from your total meetings, you know? And again, I'm not talking about this client in particular. But yeah, I just want to have kind of like a structure to that so that I'm not losing time and money. Cause you know, I do plan my whole weeks around this stuff, and it's important that people are as committed to their development as I am. So I finally signed up for a CRM system. Everybody always asks me like what CRM tool I use, and I use HubSpot, but I don't use it very well. But I finally am going to use HoneyBook. It's highly recommended to me by a lot of people, and actually my wedding planner, or the person I think we're going to hire for a wedding planner, she uses it, and like I'm going through the process as a client, and it's really, really nice. So you can do all of that kind of stuff in HoneyBook. You can send emails and give like forums and stuff. So I need to work on getting that set up, but it's just like I have a million other things going on. So one of these days I will. All right, I'm going to stop rambling. All right, so my client did end up showing up. We had a really productive meeting, and now it's lunchtime, and I'm honestly like not that hungry, which is very strange for me because I eat like a horse. Like I am like all about lunches and dinners. So I'm just gonna have some toast. I don't know. I've really been liking this brand. I got it from Whole Foods. It's completely plant-based and egg-free. And then I just eat cashew butter. I really like the Target brand. It's the Good and Gather brand. Just gonna have some of that, and that'll probably tide me over. I'll probably be hungry again at like 3 or 4, but I'm gonna eat, watch a quick YouTube video, and then I will be, I'll do my hair and probably film a quick YouTube video of my own. So I just remembered that I have a call at 2:45 as well, a potential sponsor for my YouTube channel. I usually don't do calls for sponsorships, to be honest. Usually it's all done through email, so I don't know, I totally forgot about it. So I have like an hour to zhuzh up my face and to choose a different shirt. I don't really like this top. It's like very academic, and I think I want to try filming with my glasses for the first time. Not that I need to wear them, but I don't know. Just, I like to change up my look on YouTube every once in a while, keep things fresh for you guys. So choosing a top, I'm gonna powder my face, and then I'm gonna go in there and film really quick. So when I do a little freshen up for camera, I usually just add some highlight to my inner eye corner. I don't know if you can even see it that well. Add some highlight to my face just to kind of liven it up a bit. Go in with contour if I hadn't contoured that day, just maybe touch up some things. A lot of times I'll put on eyeliner, but because I'm wearing glasses, I don't know that it really matters. And I also like to put on a lip gloss, because lip gloss is just a lot more forgiving on camera than like a matte lip color. You know, it just, you can't see all those creases and stuff, and I think it just looks a lot better on camera. So I'm actually trying out this one from Bite Beauty. I love Bite Beauty. It's a plumping lip gloss, and it's in the flavor/scent cider donut, you guys. It smells amazing. It is like the perfect fall lip product, and it is supposed to plump with cinnamon, I believe, naturally, which I love a plumping lip gloss for camera as well because it just makes your lips look really full and those lines aren't really there. So I used this very pink lipstick underneath and I wanted to kind of darken it up. So this worked well because it's like a brown color and does definitely plump, I can already see. So I'll leave a link for this down below if anyone's interested in it. Here's the look. Yeah, awesome. I don't know if you had a particular budget in mind for adding that into the existing partnership or how you kind of wanted to work that in, if there was a particular length or, you know, type of ad that you were looking for. Look at us. Tell them what we're doing.
Talking to a wedding planner about do we need a wedding planner?
Wedding stuff. Lighting is not good and I apologize for that, but it is the end of the night and I have not vlogged at all today, so I thought I should hop on here. Truth be told, it's been a little bit of an emotional day for me. I'm not gonna get into why, it's personal. I'm okay, like I'm not like sick or anything. But good news is we did hire our wedding planner, so there's some good stuff. We met with her last night. Again, not related to business, but anyway, her business is called Christogram Wedding and Events. I'll link her down below and I'll probably talk more about her on my second channel at some point. I've known her for a while, so that's a good highlight of the day. But just had a little bit of an emotional day, but I still had to get work done. And so I just got done filming just like a test run of a course that I'm doing. So I'm really excited to get this done. As much as I like the project, it's just so much work being on camera, and I'm realizing like, ow, my eyes hurt from those bright lights, reading a teleprompter. It's just kind of a lot. So I'm at the point right now where I'm like, my eyes need to not be staring at screens. So I'm gonna start this book. Megan Krepikevich, she was on my channel for that discovery call video. She helps me out in my business. She's been through my coaching program. She's awesome. She recommended this book to me and it looks like a pretty like easy, nice, kind of chill read. So I think I'm going to start this tonight. And I got some new glasses in the mail, so maybe I'll do a quick little glasses try on before I end the clip for today. So these are the first ones that I got from Zenni. They're like a simple, they look a little crooked to me. I was asking Norris, do you think I need to tighten them or something? I think so. But they're basically just a simple kind of cat eye-ish frame with some little cutouts just to make it a little fun. So I don't know, I like them for kind of like an everyday sort of look. I really like this look, like the clear glasses look on me. I think they just look flattering. I don't know, you guys tell me which ones you guys like the best. When I have them on in here, I think they don't look that good. When I was looking in the mirror, I liked them. So I don't know, you guys know, let me know what you think. I mean, just don't be mean, because I'm actually, this is something I haven't really talked about, but I'm actually, I don't know, I felt a little self-conscious. Not anything against glasses. I love glasses. I clearly love people who wear glasses. I'm marrying a man who's worn glasses the whole time I've known him. I think they look really cool on everybody else, but I feel like on me, I don't like the way that they make my nose look. And so I'm actually kind of dealing with a little bit of insecurity. So please don't say anything mean. Somebody's gonna say something mean just because I said that. Kick her while she's down. People love doing that on the internet. Okay, anyway, these are our sunglasses, which have completely changed my life. I drove with these earlier and I am like, this is life. If you wear glasses and you don't have prescription sunglasses, do yourself a favor, order them from Zenni. No, not sponsored. This whole haul, so I got sunglasses and 2 pairs of eyeglasses, was like 150 bucks. Meanwhile, this one pair of Tom Ford glasses were 6, 7. They were a lot. They were like a lot of money. So I really like these. And then these are my ones that I got from the eye doctor at the Tom Fords. So those are the glasses. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna read my book and relax and take a shower.